Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do monthly reading for the month of November and I am doing for the sign Libra, 8 sign. And this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So let's see your messages. Libra, your first card. Wow, the World. And the second card, Justice. And Seven of Cups. So what I am seeing here, some cycles are going to be end between both of you, you and your person, and this could be long distance relationship also. You both live in different countries, different states and different cities. Justice, yeah, someone has to take some major decision. Some court issues are going to be resolved. Some court issues are involved for some. Yeah, Seven of Cups. For some, one person in this connection have options. It could be you or your person. So let's see some more. Seven of Swords. The Empress. Knight of Cups. So one person in this connection is sneaky. Seven of Swords is here. Definitely your person could be sneaky. They lied to you, they cheated on you, because Seven of Swords is very very sneaky energy, guys. So Libra, Justice is your card. Definitely you stand by your power. The Empress is you, but your person is coming towards you, I think, for second chance after the separation. For some there is separation between both of you. Knight of Cups, they have emotions for you, but they are playing with you, because playing mind games, manipulation is the Seven of Swords, because they have options also. They are seeing other options and you know that's why you cut them off. You already made decision. You stand by your power. For some you are in separation, for some you are in no contact. Let's see some more. Yeah, Two of Swords, lot of air energy. You or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Seven of Wands. And Three of Cups. Yeah, for some it could be third party involved, because Seven of Wands, yeah, you stand by yourself and you are very defensive now. Libra, you are very very defensive, because the one person who put a lot of effort in this connection is you. Your person has to make decision. Yes, Two of Swords, they are at some crossroads. They have to make decision. Yeah, for some it could be third party. For some your person have strong emotions for you. They want reconciliation if you are in separation. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. Strength. Okay, Seven of Pentacles. Okay, two cards. Okay, Ace of Pentacles. In past your person not committed to you, but now they want to commit to you. They want to offer long-term commitment. Ace of Pentacles. But Seven of Pentacles is you. You push a lot, you invest a lot in this connection, but now you are very defensive. You stand by your power. The Strength, yeah, it could be you or your person. I think if it is you, definitely you gain your strength back. You already take your power back. And for some your person gained all this strength to come towards you and ask for second chance. Now Ace of Pentacles, now they want to offer this to you. Ace of Pentacles, long-term commitment. For some you are now concentrating on your career, definitely after the you walked away from this person. So let's see your person current feelings and their actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. Libra, so your person current feelings towards you. First card, the Fool. Second card, King of Cups. Third card, Two of Cups. Yeah, they want to restart with you again. Yeah, because the Fool with King of Cups and Two of Cups, definitely there is equal love between both of you. Even though you walked away from your person, you still have strong emotions for your person, Two of Cups, and your person also have strong emotions for you, King of Cups, and the Fool. Yeah, they want to take leap of faith and they want to offer new beginning with you. Yeah, they want new beginnings. They want to take leap of faith. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, lot of water energy, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Aries, Leo, Sag, but lot of water energy and earth energy and air energy also. So let's see your person in future actions towards you. So let's see your person in future actions towards you. Six of Pentacles, Nine of Wands, Seven of Cups. Yeah, they want to offer equal give and take in this connection. Yes, in past I already told you there is no equal give and take because you invest more in this connection, but now your person want to offer equal give and take in this connection. Yeah, and they don't want to give up on this connection because they are fantasizing about you a lot. For some your person thinking that they want to offer equal give and take, but they are guarded up because they have to make decision, because still they are looking at their options. For some, not for all. For some, your person fantasizing about you a lot. They don't want to give up and they want to offer equal give and take. So take resonates, take what resonates and leave the rest, because this is general reading. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. From universe, connection cards. Okay, the Moon. Yeah, Eight of Wands and the Tower. Okay, the Hanged Man. Yeah, definitely this connection right now stuck. You both are in no contact situation, or if you are in contact, there is very less, very small communication between both of very low. Yeah, because the Hanged Man, the connection is stuck. These are connection cards. And the Moon, definitely there are some illusions between both of you. Your person may be hidden something from you, you may be hidden something from your person. Eight of Wands. Yeah, definitely you both, I think connection cards, definitely you both will communicate. If you are in separation or in no contact, definitely communication will be happen. And the Tower, definitely some Tower moment is going to be happen in this connection, or it is already happened. That is separation also. Yeah, some communication. I am seeing communication is the key here. Definitely you both will communicate. So let's see Libra, your overall energy for the month of November. Wow, 10 of Cups, the Star and the Devil. You may be obsessed with your person, or your person may be obsessed with you. I think it's you. And the Devil, you or your person could be Capricorn also, but this is over. Because in past you are obsessed with your person, but not now. You stand by your power now. You gain your power back. And the Star, definitely you are seeing something new and something hope in your life, like career wise and whatever. In other area of love, 10 of Cups, definitely this happiness is coming back to you in any area of your life. Definitely your person waiting for reconciliation. If you want reconciliation, that will also happen. Definitely your person has strong emotions for you. Yeah, they want to offer equal give and take for some. So depending upon your situation, you have to take decision. Definitely it is very positive ending for you, Libra. So let's see your person overall energy for the month of November. King of Pentacles, the Tower, yeah, Temperance. Definitely they are waiting for the right moment, because there is no balance in this connection. Temperance means you or your person could be Sagittarius. There is no patience, because Temperance means patience and balance is needed. Definitely there is no balance between both of you. And Tower, definitely there is some Tower moment is already happened. Are your person right now feeling some Tower moment due to separation or no contact, whatever, are for some other reason also they are facing this situation right now, but later they will realize you both and they will offer King of Pentacles. Definitely they want to offer stability to this connection. They will communicate to you and they will express their feelings to you. If your person is not expressing their feelings, definitely in near future some communication is going to be happen between both of you. But the Moon, the Hanged Man is here. Definitely the Hanged Man is here. Definitely some stuckness, some secrets Please open up, then everything will be okay. Because one person in this connection is spiritual awakening. It could be you or your person. I think it could be your person. Then after spiritual awakening, they will like full energy. They want something new with you, some brand new beginning with you. So it's up to you, Libra, to give second chance or not. So this is the reading for you. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon. You will get all my video notifications. Bye.